Hi, my name is Dom and I work on developer experience at OpenAI. Earlier this year, we launched the OpenAI Agents SDK as a lightweight, fully open source library that provides developers with the abstractions that we found helpful when building production-ready agents. However, as developers build increasingly more complex and longer-running agents, we've seen how challenging it can be to build reliable systems that handle dropped network connections, API failures, process crashes, and more. That's why we worked together with the team at Temporal on a direct integration between the OpenAI Agents SDK and Temporal. Temporal is a powerful open source platform that brings durability and resilience to your AI agents with just a couple of lines of code. That means your agents can survive crashes, automatically retry failed steps, and scale along the way. To show you what that looks like, here's Steve from Temporal.
Thanks, Tom. The OpenAI Agents SDK makes it really easy to create AI agents. Let's show how Temporal gives one of your samples production-ready resilience. Here's a standard Hello World sample agent. To make it durable with Temporal, we just add a couple of decorators: workflow definition to define the workflow class, and workflow run for the entry point. That's it. Now the agent's state persists. Let's see what that means for a more complex agent. Here's OpenAI's deep research sample integrated with Temporal. It can take several minutes and many API calls to run. What happens if the process crashes halfway through? I've stopped the Temporal worker that's running this workflow so that we can find out. Without Temporal, the entire job would fail, but here the workflow simply waits for a worker to become available again. In the real world, this means your application can survive entire cloud regions going down and other catastrophic issues. As soon as I bring a worker back online, it picks up exactly where it left off. No state is lost and no progress wasted. Research continues. I hope you enjoy using Temporal to bring resilience, scale, and interactivity to your OpenAI Agents SDK agents.